Hey y'all, welcome back to Brass Hall for another Bartender Sessions. I'm Wolfman and I'll be your bartender. And now I'm gonna make you a green tea shot. Also show you how to turn that into a drink. So the first ingredient is Jameson, the most important. Ounce and a half of Jameson. And a little bit of peach schnapps, half ounce. Then you just add a little sweet and sour. Put some ice in your shaker. And shake it well to get it nice and cold. And that is a green tea shot. Now, if they want to have it as a drink instead of a shot, take a glass, pour it right in there, and there you go, a green tea drink.